finding sounds is sometimes half the struggle. Or all the struggle. I like things to sound a little bit dirtier. I like it to be a little bit more edgy in your face. Oh, that's so edgy. Hi guys, I'm Ørjan Nilsen, and right now we're here at Armada HQ creating this track for Armada University and FaderPro. I do tend to use like a few reference points for me to just build in a track. That is me adding those claps and also a certain ride I like to use. It's a ride and it just gives so much life to a track. I used to be an old rocker and this is sort of like a rock trick. And it's funny when it works. This is pretty cool. Like, I like this already. That sound is pretty cool. You're gonna change sounds as you go along because you're gonna find a sound which is cool, but there's always one cooler. For me, it's also not just about like EQing, it's also about where you put it in the mix. Like something is wide, something is a little wide, and something is mono. So you don't like, so it goes like a fan, you know what I mean? A little trick to fill a track is just to add tiny sounds like this in the background. That is just there for technically effect. You don't have to use every synth to make a melody. Right now we have all the parts of a full track in there, and where to go from now on is basically up to your own imagination as well. I'll give you all the parts. Let's see how creative you can get.